Looking for a cool way to chill out in this ongoing heat? Well, today Howard shows us his cookie crust ice cream pie in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
July 4th may be behind us, but don't think for a second that all the festivities are over. As a matter of fact, we have a whole month to celebrate that July is Ice Cream Month. That means there's no better time than right now to head to the market and check out all the promotions, the new creations, and stock up on all of your tried and true favorites. If you're a scooper or simply like to grab a spoon and eat right out of the container, this year there seems to be more varieties and flavors than ever. From decadently rich ice cream and gelato, made the old-fashioned way in trendy flavors, to frozen yogurt, dairy-free, and plant-based options. If you love stocking your freezer with ice cream truck favorites, you better make room because there's never been more to choose from. Let's not forget about the very popular mochi and Italian ice. Rest assured, you'll find lots of melt-in-your-mouth favorites that'll have your mouth watering before you even get to the checkout. If you're looking to wow your family and friends, you have to try our brand new Cookie Crust ice cream pie. It's refreshing, easy to make, and is what dreams are made of. To get the recipe, just visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we've discovered a refreshingly awesome way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
And it'd be even better to find the recipe, and you can find that online on our website.